Here we go, we're going to finish this up. We just got done doing a life bar. And with that, we created a variable in our event sheet called life here. We also added a progress bar. We included our anchor behavior, and then on our event sheet, we tied them together with these three events. So next we're going to do our score. Really easy. I've already added the score variable here. That's 1 point in the video game matrix. And there's 3 other points we can get. 2 points will be in the game section, and we're going to get those other 2 points by right-clicking and inserting a new object. We're going to insert text box. Paste that in here, and when we have that highlighted, we're going to go over to our properties menu, and we're going to go down to behaviors, click that, add a new behavior, and anchor behavior. So right now we have 3 out of the 4 points. Last thing we need to do is add some programming to make it work. I'm going to piggyback off this every tick, and I'm going to add an action. I'm going to go to my text box, and we're going to go down to set text in yellow, and it gives us these quotes. So I'm going to go inside the quotes, and we're going to type score colon space space space. We go outside the quotes. We use Shift 7, gives us the and sign, and we're going to start typing score. When it pulls up here, we can either double click or hit enter enter, and we're all set. Now if I push play, you'll see that my text box says score with a 0 in it instead of just saying text. That's how I know it works. Sometimes if you push play and your text box isn't big enough, it will only show so much of what you typed. So right here it says score and 0 or no 0. That's because our text box isn't big enough. So we need to stretch that a little bit. Next we'll go back to our event sheet, and we need to create a way to gain score. Real simple. Actually we'll go back to our game layout, and we'll right click and we'll insert a new object, and what we're going to do is just going to insert like a coin. It's just a sprite, and here make that a little bit bigger, and I'm going to close the around it and close that. There's my coin. And I'm going to go up and rename it coin real quick. When it's highlighted, I can just go up here in my properties menu and rename that. So now I got a coin, and now event sheet will do exactly what we did here. Character on collision with another object. Click and choose my coin. Sorry, I had to pause that real quick. So I have character on collision with coin, and now I'm going to add an action, and we are going to go system, and we're going to go down to global and local variables, and we're going to add to score, and we're going to make it 50. Done. So now when I'm on collision with coin, I will get 50 points. One thing I want to do though first is destroy our coin. So I want my coin to only be worth 50 points and not always be there. so that I can jump on it every 2 seconds. If I push play, you'll see that I get my coin and I got 50 points. So it's that easy. We did 2 things. We added text, set score to score, and character on collision with coin. System add 50 to score, coin destroy. Now we could also add, if you create like a bullet, you could do a bullet on collision with enemy, destroy enemy, add 100 points to score. Real simple concept. And that should be it. So that gives you some basic knowledge on how to finish the game and get almost every point possible. The only other things you need to do is add artwork and make your game more interesting for the complexity portion of the game. Alright, I hope these videos help. Bye.